All right, so I got my SmokeFire first cook coming up here. I'm gonna test out with just a basic chicken breast, boneless, skinless, a little salt, pepper, oil, seasoning. And then what I'm gonna do when I'm done is cut up a couple of them and make a buffalo chicken pizza on the grill, if it all works out, time permitting. Okay, we're out here, got the grill cooking on high at 500. We're ready to go. We're gonna test out the cooking probes. So we got a nice little SmokeFire down there. Put these on. Be back. Flame up here. And the last 10, I gave him a quick flip. I'm gonna close it back up. Well, we've been going about 18 minutes now. I'm gonna check the temperature. It's saying we're at about 130, so let me just do a spot check on some of these smaller ones. 70. 79. Those are ready. This guy needs a little more time. Yeah, these two are ready to roll. Oh, cool. Flip, show you what this looks like. Really nice color. Yeah. Double check this one again. 163, 165, we're good on these two. These guys, we're gonna go about 10 more. I'll give them another flip. That bottom side cooks some more. Off. I guess I'll come in. I'm gonna cut in. Looks good and done. You know I got a sample, so let's get this charred edge. Try to do a one-handed cut. It's really tricky. That's good. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna cut them up. I'm gonna make a buffalo chicken pizza. But before I do that, I'm gonna put the stone on the grill with the rest of the chicken, so the stone can be heating up. And there's the grill, the pizza stone. All right, looks like we might be ready. Let's see. Looks good. Let's check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, we're at 165 across the board, people. Pulling these off, then we'll show you the next step in this pizza making process. These will be like some Nashville hot or something. The rest of my chicken's done cooking. The stone is heating. I've prepped my crust, put some oil on it. Now I'm gonna take my Thunder Road buffalo sauce, mix my chicken. Got it all mixed in. Now we're gonna put it on the pizza. Looking nice. Now what I like to do, since I've got the pizza, I'll spread a little more sauce on there and then bring the cheese in. There you go, get that all spread out on there. I'll just use this baster to spread it around. Now there's our buffalo chicken pizza. Put some mozzarella on top. Some people use blue cheese crumbles as well, but got some in my family that don't prefer that, so we add after. What I'll likely do when I complete this pizza is drizzle ranch across of it. And over here I just made a basic pepperoni and banana pepper pizza, and we'll see how this does. We got our pizza on. Close up. Should take about 10 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Hopefully I didn't burn it. Let's see. Looks like it's not quite ready. Give it about 5 more minutes, I think. Yeah, buffalo chicken pizza. And pepperoni and banana peppers in the oven right now.